Okay, year one. Today we're going to do a little bit of place value revision, remembering what value is each digit in a two-digit number. What does each number mean, basically, okay? What does the first number mean? What does the second number mean? So we'll start off with a little bit of simple counting in tens, counting in units, putting it together, practice, and then we'll make it a little bit harder as we go on, okay? So I've got some tens here, and I've got some ones, or some units that can be called both. Let's count up together our tens first and then our ones and see how much we have all together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So I've got 7 tens. 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 78. 7 tens and 8 units, or 7 tens and 8 ones. Yes, we've counted it correctly. Let's do a new one. Okay, let's count this one. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 44. Let's show that number, 44, a 4 and a 4, 44, 4 tens, 4 ones. Okay, let's make it even different. Okay, we'll do, okay, what have we got here? We've got 1 10 and 5 ones. So we know that's 10. Let's count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is a group of 10 and 5 extra ones. Let's have a look at some other teen numbers. Let's do another one. What do we have here? We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is a group of 10 and 8 extra ones. We'll do one more question. Let's see what we have here. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We've actually got over 100 this time. 100, and let's see how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 108. Let's show how that's written. So we've got 100, 0 sets of 10, and 8 ones, 108. Okay, let's try some the opposite way. They're going to give us a number this time, so they've given us the number 52. And if we look at that number 52, we can see the first digit is the amount of tens, and the second digit is how many units, or how many ones. So 52 is, for example, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50, 5 sets of 10, and we need 2 ones. 52 is 5 tens and 2 ones. 5 tens and 2 ones, or 5 tens and 2 units. Let's check. We got that one right. Let's do a new one. Well, it's given us a nice teen number. So remember, 16 is one group of 10. Remember that song we did at the start of year one? 16 is a group of 10 and 6 extra ones. So let's count our 6 extra ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16. Let's check it and see. Let's do another one. Okay, 43. So we've got 4 tens and 3 units. 10, 20, 30, 40. And my units, 1, 2, 3. 4 tens, 3 units, 43. Do one last one. Check that one, see if we got it right. Got 13, another teen number. So 13 is a group of 10 and 3 extra ones. 10. 1, 2, 3. Let's check if that's 13. I know that's 10, so I don't need to count it. 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Let's try and put that into some little games now. So I'll have a little go of this one. You can join in at home helping me out with some of the questions, okay? These games are actually in the year 2 section of Education City, but I don't think they're really year 2 games, they're more year 1 games. Okay, so we want to identify the value of the tens and ones in 2-digit numbers. We just want to know what each number means.
Listen to the question, look at the numbers, and select all the correct answers. Look for all the numbers that have 4 ones.
4 ones. Now we need to be careful that we don't choose numbers that have 4 tens. Remember, the ones column of number is the second part of the number. So let's see 4 ones. So see this one has 4 tens, 48, 4 tens and 8 ones. We're looking for the second part of each number, so 4 ones. Look, 34, that has 4 ones. Does any other numbers have 4 ones in here? Look, 24 has 4 ones. 64 has 4 ones. And 74 has 4 ones. Now there are some other numbers there with 4.
Look for all the numbers that have 6 ones.
Okay, well, I was about to say to you, some of those other numbers had 4s, but they were in the tens column, so they meant 40. They didn't actually mean 4. This time we're looking for numbers that have 6 ones. So we're looking in the ones again, the second number. That's 6 tens. We don't want that. We want 36. That's 6 ones. Oh, we've got lots of them in here. We've got 76. That's 6 ones. 26 is 6 ones. And 16 is 6 ones. Okay.
Good choice.
I wonder what our next one is.
Look for all the numbers that have
Ooh.
2 tens.
So we're not looking at ones. Remember, 2 tens. 10, 20. We're looking for numbers with a 20 at the beginning. 20, 20. Oh, 25. That has 2 tens. Is there any other 20 numbers? We have... Is that 29? No, that's not 29, is it? That's 92. Very careful. We need to be very careful. 26, there's another 20 number. 21. And 28. And there's a few other numbers with 2s, but they're not in the tens column.
Choice.
So I'm going to put that game on.
All the numbers that have.
Skip that. I'm going to put that game in your Education City account next week. Okay, I'm going to go back one step. And we're going to try another one. Okay, so we're going to play this bumper cars one. I think you'll like this one. Okay.
Use the number selector to complete the number sentence with the missing number.
So,
Fill in the missing number.
so this first one, it's spun around, so the answer's actually at the end, at the start, sorry. 37 equals 30, add something. Now we know that's 30, but what does that mean? Does that mean 70 or does that mean 7? Well, I know when I say it. 37. So 37 equals 30 plus, where's it gone? 30 plus 7. See? 30 plus 7 equals 37, or the other way around. Let's have another go of another one. And you can see the picture here.
Fill in the missing
It's
number.
gone. Okay. 14 equals 10 plus something. So we know that's a 10, but what's that second number mean? Yes, we know it's 4 units, or 4 ones, so just 4, not 40, because it's not in the first column. You can see that there. 14 equals a 10 and a 4.
Fill in the missing number.
Okay, 15 equals 10 and something. That's very similar, isn't it? 15 is a 10 and a 5. 15 is a set of 10 and 5 extra ones. Let's see what the next one's going to be.
Fill in the missing number.
Another teen one. 17 is a set of 10 and 7 extra ones. Remember the song? It helps you remember the teen numbers. People get mixed up on those. 10 add 7 equals 17.
Fill in the missing number.
So 81 equals something add 1. So we know we've got the 1. What's the first bit mean? Is that it there? 81 equals 8 add 1. Well, 8 add 1's 9, so copy that. That doesn't mean 8, does it? That means 8 sets of 10, which is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 80 add 1 is 81. 80 add 1 is 81, or 81 equals
Fill
80
in
add 1.
the missing number.
Oh, 48 equals something add 8. Well, we've got the 8. What's the first bit mean? 4 sets of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. 40. 4 and a 0. Don't get confused with 14. And we'll do one more. Breaking these numbers
Fill
into 2
in the
pieces.
missing number.
62 equals something add 2. Well, we can see we've got the 2 ones. How many 10s do we have? 6 10s. 6 10s is 60. Okay, so I'm going to come out of this now. So I'll put those in Education City for you probably next week to have a little go of some stage when you're home. This is what you're doing today. You are counting up your numbers, your 10s and your 1s, and matching them to the right number. That's what we're going to start off with. So let me do the first one. 10, 20, 30. And this isn't 10, is it? So this is 1, 2, 32. I'm going to write 32 here. And on this other side, oh, the number 32 is actually there, so I can draw a line and match them up, okay? So you have to count the numbers for those ones. Then let me scroll down a little bit. Then we have the exact opposite. I'm going to get a different pen. Then we have the exact opposite. This time you have to draw it. So look carefully at the number. We have 60. So we have 6 sets of 10s and 0 ones. So you would draw. This pen's not much use either. You would draw 6 sets of 10. 10. I'm not going to fill in, but you can fill in the little lines. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. But I don't need any ones for that one, okay? There's that. Then there is, forgot my rubber, guys, today. I always tell you not to do this in class, but look at me, breaking my own rules, using my hand as a rubber. Then we go down, we have some questions here. We have where you have to say what the value is of each number. So 24, what is the underlined number worth? Well, in this one, it's worth 4 because it's in the second column. What's that worth though in 89? Well, you can hear it when you say it, 89. So that is worth 80. What about this one? 48. What's that? What's the underlying number worth? Well, listen, let's say it. 48. I can hear it. It's worth 8. What about this one? 98. Well, the number that underlined is the 9. The first bit of the number, 90. Sorry, I'm going through this quickly, guys. Then, get rid of these numbers again. Last part is just like the game we've just been doing. We have to break these numbers into their different parts. So it says how many 10s and how many 1s? Well, 32 has 3 sets of 10 and 2 sets of 1. 12 has 1 set of 10 and 2 1s. 85 has 8 10s and 5 1s. So year 1, all of these are things we've done before, but it's been a bit of a while, so have a bit of fun with the practice. I'll put some of the games in Education City for you to have a practice of as well. Enjoy. See you soon. Bye bye.